Top 3 facts about the Goliath bird-eating spider. Number 3, size. These are the largest spiders by mass, with a leg span of up to 11 inches, roughly the size of a dinner plate. Their sheer size makes them an intimidating presence in the rainforest. Number 2, diet. Despite their name, they rarely eat birds. Their diet mainly consists of insects, rodents, and small reptiles. They use their powerful fangs to subdue and consume their prey. Number 1, defense. They have urticating hairs on their abdomen that they can flick at predators, causing irritation and discomfort. These hairs serve as an effective deterrent against potential threats. For more creepy crawly facts, hit that subscribe button.